if you want to keep this closer to the vest, you want this to maximize its return more quickly. You want a steeper curve here, right? A steeper or a faster rise in call volatility. You could also look at this: buy the 14 and sell the 16. It's going to cost you about 53 cents to do it on a $2 wide spread, but you risk 50 to make $1.50, and that's if we can get to 16. But realize you're going to lose the 50 cents more often than not. You're just playing the numbers to say, okay, I think maybe a higher percentage of the time than a 3-to-1 ratio or a 1-to-3 ratio, 3-to-1 ratio would need to be profitable here, and it's probably reasonable to consider it. Now, what you might want to do is see where we finish at the end of the day. So, can we finish near the highs? Okay. If so, then you might consider, hey, I might buy the 14, sell the 16, buy the 15, sell the 17. If we kind of fade back here to like $12, because again, does the ruling really change the trajectory for Bitcoin? I just don't think it does. But let's say we pull back here, then wait to see what happens. Maybe we start to catch a bid again. Okay. But this is a pretty significant extreme move in Mara, but I think there is opportunity if we can finish near the high of the session to see a bit of a breakout. Okay. BG says, how reliable is the consumer confidence number? Well, it is what it is. It's reliable. It's calculated correctly. But I think what you're asking is, how does it fit in the bigger picture? Consumer confidence is a leading indicator for the economy. Okay. And so as a leading indicator, it's kind of more meaningful, but it's not so much the report itself, right? It's how the market's reacting to it. So we're seeing this sudden, sudden increase in rate cut expectations in May and March, for example, right? We're seeing this shift towards rate cuts versus rate increases, reversing everything that happened last week in terms of Jackson Hole. And again, it may be misplaced. So sometimes, it's not so much to question why, but understand the implications and how you might trade it. And look, if we're going to get a move in the S&P, the short squeeze may be on, and Mara may be one of those stocks